Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2. My name is Mr. Mohamed Eljaroshi. We're going to talk about Lesson 3 in Unit 2, in a restaurant. Question A. Look at the menu. Use the definitions to work out the meaning of the underlined words. As you can see here, this is a menu of a restaurant, and some of the words are underlined. Let's look at these words. Number 1, lamb. Lamb. What does it mean, lamb? Very good. As you can see here, lamb is a noun, and it's the meat of a sheep. Very good. The second one, beef. Beef is a noun, and it's the meat of a cow. Very good. Fried. Fried. Fried here means what? It means cooked in hot fat or oil. That means it's an adjective. Very good. We have to focus on these words and their definitions. Let's look at the next one. We have grilled. Grilled. Grilled here is an adjective, and it means cooked under strong heat. Very good. And the last one, baked. Baked. Baked is an adjective, and it means cooked in an oven. Very good. Now, you have to focus on these definitions and memorize them and understand them at the same time. Now, let's move on to question B. Question B. Discuss which things on the menu are healthy and which things are not healthy. As you saw in the menu, let's take a look again. We have meat, lamb curry, beef curry, fried chicken, burgers, and hot dogs. We have pizza, fish, fried fish, grilled fish, vegetables, baked potato, chips, salad, desserts, apple cake, chocolate cake, ice cream, fruit salad, drinks, fruit juices, milkshakes, cola, lemonade, tea, coffee, mineral water. Now, which things do you think are healthy for you? Very good. Vegetables like baked potato and salad are good for you. And which things do you think are not healthy? Very good. We have cola, which is unhealthy for you. We have chocolate cake. Very good. Some of the other things that are not healthy for you, you can talk about these with your teacher and check the answers. Very good. Now let's move on to the next question. Question C. Walid and Rima are in a restaurant with their father. The waiter has come to take their order. Number 1. Which of the things below do you think he will say? What do you think the answer is? And then look at number 2. Who do you think will reply, and what will he or she say? Now, number 1. What do you want? Good evening. Are you ready to order, sir? Can I take your order, sir? Number 2. Good evening. We're not ready. No, sorry, we're not ready. Yes, thank you. Now, as you can see, we have 1 and 2. Now, the first group is for number 1, the things that the waiter will say to them. And number 2, some of the things that they will say to the waiter. Very good. Now, you can choose one of these and then choose one of these as an answer for question 1. Now, for number 1, he can say, "Are you ready to order, sir?" And the reply will be, "No, sorry, we're not ready," or "Yes, thank you." Very good. Now, let's move on to question D. Question D. Now listen and check your ideas. Then do exercises A to C on page 21 of the workbook. Now, if you want to read the whole conversation, you can go to the back of the book and read it. Now, let's go to the workbook and do exercises A to C on page 21 of the workbook. The workbook, lesson 3, unit 2, in a restaurant. Question A. Listen and write notes. 1. What did Rima order? What did Rima order? Very good. Baked potato with butter. Good job. Mixed salad. What else? Fruit salad. Very good. Ice cream. And orange juice. Good job. Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. What did Walid order? Very good. He ordered large burger, chips, chocolate, cake. What else? Very good. Ice cream. And the last one was cola. Very good. Now let's move on to question B. Listen again and discuss whose meal was healthier, Rima's or Walid's. Explain why. As you can see, we have two meals. Can you tell me which one is healthier and why? Very good. Rima's meal was healthier than Walid because he orders foods that have a lot of fat and sugar. That's a possible answer. And we can say Walid's meal is healthier because he eats a lot. Very good. Now, you can talk about this. This is your opinion. You can talk about food in your own opinion. You can discuss this with your teacher later. Very good. Now let's move on to question C. Question C. Use the menu on page 26 of your course book to order a meal. Take turns as the waiter. Now, you can do this with your friends, or you can do this with anyone in the house. Take turns to be the waiter and order food from the menu. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.